Para sa inyo, ano yung oblation? Para saan yan?
Siguro po sa kumbaga parang pagkilala. Kumbaga siya yung simbolo po ng UP Diliman.
Bakit yan ang ginawang simbolo? Bakit siya nakaganyan?
Parang freedom na walang magja-judge. Na ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa bayan ng Pilipino.
Anong tingin mo sa oblation?
Yung oblation po is nagsisimbolize po siya ng knowledge po.
Guillermo Tolentino had this idea na parang to come up with a naked figure, no, of a male, no, to represent one's offering to the nation, no. Alam naman natin that during that particular period, slowly, no, we were finding our place as a democracy within the Asia-Pacific region. And for someone who was educated in the United States then in Europe, he experienced this idea of parang mas universal, no, global sense, no, of what it is to be a democracy. And he wanted to somehow encapsulate that within a figure, no. And the naked figure somehow embodies yung parang an acceptance of this challenge and role, but at the same time, it also acknowledges fragility, no? Kasi naked nga siya, no? So the original figure was actually completely nude, no?
Naging usap-usapan noon na si Fernando Poe Sr., tanyag na artista noon at ama ni FPJ, ang modelo ni Tolentino para sa oblation.
Myth pala yun.
Myth lang yun. Myth lang talaga yun. Pero ang totoong ano niya was his assistant, no?
Assistant ni Guillermo Tolentino.
Which was Anastasio Caido. Anastasio Caido was a swimmer, no? He had the physique.
He also became an artist.
Yes, he is. He's a very good artist, no? And ginawa rin basis ni Guillermo Tolentino ay isang pinsan rin ni Anastasio Caido. So dalawa silang basically.
But why do you need two models? Wouldn't it have been easier to have just one?
Well, sometimes, you know. I mean, you get the best of both worlds, kumbaga. But ito is completely Filipino, no? Kung titignan mo yung ulo, yung scale niya, at this particular vantage point has the Filipino physique.
Maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa Eyewitness, mga kapuso. Ano masasabi niyo sa dokumentaryong ito? I-comment na yan at mag-subscribe sa GMA Public Affairs YouTube channel.